Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to take you through all the things that you need to know about StarTime installation. Okay, how you can install your StarTime decoder and then get the channels working on it. Okay, so I have a video on how you can install. That is a full tutorial, and it's too long enough for you to watch, so it is a short one that will enlighten you on everything that you need to know. So basically, StarTime is on the southeast, 16 degrees southeast, and then their satellite is SES5. Okay, so they are on the southeast. Multi-TV is on the northeast, so southeast meaning it's on the right side of multi-TV. Okay, and then the TPs that you can use to track, it will be on your screen. We have unique TPs that you can use to track. We have 11765 horizontal, 27500, and we have 11865 vertical, 2750. But the first one that I mentioned, that is 11765 horizontal, 2750. That's the main one that if you use it, you're gonna get a signal very fast. And when it comes to the LMB position, you can actually turn the LMB any position that you want, but make sure that you get enough of the signal strength in that location before you position in that way. And after getting enough of the signal, just adjust it to get all the available signal. You need to get an analog compass all the time. If you are a satellite installer, get any analog compass. Here's a compass if you don't know compass. Okay, that will actually enable you to know your location. Maybe in your hometown or in your location, east will be on this direction, but you will travel to another place, the east will be somewhere this way. So you have to get something that will actually helps you direct all the exact location. If you can't get any analog compass, download compass on your smartphone. That will actually helps you to navigate any direction that you are trying to. Okay, so with the position, multi-TV, all the time multi-TV is easier to track. So if you are to install my TV, StarTime, and any other satellite that is near multi-TV, the first satellite that you need to install is multi-TV to actually know that you are the right position or the right track. Using a satellite tracker, you will get a multi-TV signal really fast within the first 10 minutes. If you have aligned your satellite dish really well, you're gonna get a multi-TV really fast. So install multi-TV, and then let's say multi-TV is at this position. Okay, StarTime is on the southeast of the multi-TV position, so that's it on your right side on top of the multi-TV signal. And then we have my TV, which is also on the left side of the multi-TV signal, but also on the top, 16 degrees. Okay, so to install either my TV or StarTime, DSTV is also below multi-TV like this, 36. Okay, so to install StarTime, all you got to do is to first install multi-TV, get to know that you are having a multi-TV signal working at that position. Mark the satellite is the angle that you go to multi-TV, and then shift it a bit on the right side, raise it up, and you're probably gonna get a StarTime very easily. So no, and then after marking the multi-TV position, don't position or push the dish below that multi-TV angle, because if you do that, you are not going to get a signal. Make sure that where you are tracking will be on top of that multi-TV position that you just marked, and you're gonna get it easier. The same applies to the My TV. If you are to get My TV, first install multi-TV, mark the position, and then raise it on the left side, raise it on top of it, and then you're probably gonna get a signal over there. So with the StarTime, after you have getting a stable signal, since it's a paid TV decoder, you need to get more of the FTA, more of the signal. Okay, it's not an FTA channels that you are trying to get if you want to watch it for free, unless you hack it with a software, which is illegal. It's illegal, so don't hack StarTime decoder. Okay, so after getting a stable signal, all you got to do is to go to menu, and then since it's an paid TV decoder or paid decoder, they makes things easier for you. All you got to do is to proceed. If after having a stable signal, proceed with okay, set the language and other settings, and then it will scan automatically. After scanning, go to the menu, find the details of the decoder. We have smart card number at the back of the decoder here, so you pick that smart card number, and then You go to menu, general information, you're gonna find any contact number of the country that you are. Every African country have its contact number over there, so pick up your country number and then call them for the activation. They'll ask for the details of the customer. If you are doing it by yourself too, they'll ask you your location, your name, and other stuff that is needed for the activation to take place. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, I'll be glad if you subscribe, like the video, share on other platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless.